Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser. Today's video is sponsored by Lordhair.com, where you can buy some fabulous hair systems to make you feel absolutely fantastic. So, what are we doing today? Well, I have a hair system that is starting to lift up, so that means I'm in time for a change. But we're going to switch this up a little. We are going to use one of my old grubby systems that I had worn quite a few times, and we want to renew it so we can get to wear it again and save some money. So inside is stuck together, so we have to clean the grubbiness off that. Also the hairline is extended here, so we are going to cut this out to get it a bit closer to the hair itself, so it's all fresh and new. Then we're going to color it and all that good stuff, and then we're going to put it on my head. So follow me, let's go. I'm going to take you through the steps. Okay, so we're about to get started and we have my grubby system ready to go. So we're going to first start off by making sure we get all the residue off the back of this on the system base. So I like to use, this is the Blonde Me Detox Shampoo. It's great, it really cleanses everything off. Or you can also use dishwashing soap. Yes, the stuff you use to wash your dishes. So we're going to wet down the system first. We get the base nice and wet. And then we are really going to give this a good clean. Now be very, very careful when you are cleaning. Use lukewarm water. Generally I like to use it lukewarm. Don't use it too hot. When it is too hot, it will damage the system. So we want to make sure that we protect it as much as possible. So you're going to take your system and you're going to rub gently and keep cleaning around and around until we get all the residue off. All that old stuff that was lying on the system, we want to make sure we get rid of everything. Now, if you find it hard to lift everything off the system, you can leave your dishwashing soap or the detox shampoo for about 5 to 10 minutes before you start to rub and really get everything off. I like to circulate my hands like this as we go around the edges of the system to make sure that we don't damage and we're lifting everything we can possibly lift off it. Once we have done this, I'm going to keep washing, scrub it up top. We're going to give it a nice rinse. Then once we've rinsed that, we're going to use a mild shampoo. So I like to use my shampoo, which is the AOB Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. It is over 51% plant-based. It is over 80% naturally derived. So it's very gentle on the hair. It is pH balanced, so it works extremely well. And then we're going to basically rub that gently through the rest of the hair, just making sure that we cleanse everything out of the system. It's very important that we get to the base as well of the system, so spread the hair away carefully and then just push as you move down the system to make sure we get rid of all that dirt and grime from the system itself. Now we're going to continue to do that throughout the rest of the system, and we'll be back for the next step. Okay, our system is as clean as a whistle. So what do we do next? We are going to add a little bit of color. We want to fill the hair because the hair is already dead and we want to bring it back to life. So I want this to be a little bit darker. Obviously it's faded with the sun and just day-to-day things like the environment, because that tends to fade and pull the color out of your system. So we also want to add shine to that. So I love this product. This is the Vibrance from Agora. It's a semi-permanent color, and I use a 6% volume, and I mix it together, and it's this beautiful shiny gloss that we're going to place on the system. So our system started off, oh, nearly dropped that. Our system started off, it's like a bit of 7-8, which is a light brown to dark blonde. We want to bring it down to like a medium to dark brown. So we're going to put this on and rub this gently onto the product. I like to use a brush to make sure I get everything evenly. And we're going to spread that throughout the whole system. Make sure you wear gloves, not like me. But I'm a messy girl. Okay. So we're going to keep on applying. Now, once you're putting on this gloss, make sure that you're pushing it and bringing it through the hair. You want to make sure that you hit every strand. That will help revive the system. It'll add gloss, it will add shine, Now there's a lot of different colors that are out there that you can get, different brands. Always making sure they're demis or semi-permanent colors. And they even have color conditioners that you can use that are a little bit more gentle. But I like longevity out of this. I want to make sure that it's not going to fade up really fast after 1 or 2 washes. Semi-permanent, demi-permanent colors usually last maybe about 10 to 20 washes if you wash them with lukewarm water and mild shampoo. Okay, so we're going to leave this sit, and I usually leave it sit for about 15 minutes. Now remember, with hair systems, they develop even quicker. Same with wigs, extensions, they all develop a little bit differently. And that usually comes from the way they are actually treated. So they develop quicker. So watch your piece like a hawk. So keep an eye on that system. Okay, so once this is done, we'll get on to the next step. I'll see you soon. Okay, I'm back and my system is ready. And we are just going to rinse this out now, and we're going to take the color out. So again, lukewarm water. And we do not shampoo this again, we actually condition. If you want and you find that the color is sticking to the base, you can use a very mild shampoo like the AOB Hydrating Repair to make sure that we can get any residue off, as we don't want it irritating the scalp or anything like that. So next I'm going to use a bond reconstructing mask. This is the Fiber Clinic's mask. I like to put this on to clean the system itself after a semi-permanent color. So you're basically going to take this out. Oh, I'm so weak. Okay, here we go, got it open. So you're going to take, you can take as much or as little as this. I like to slather it on. So take lots of that product and push it into the hair, making sure that you fill it, because these systems love lots and lots of moisture. So make sure you're getting a lot of condition in there. And then if there's any color on the base, you take the conditioner and you rub it in just to loosen up any color that might be stuck to your base. We want to make sure that there's nothing on there. Okay. Now once you have done this, you are going to comb through with your fingers, or you can use a brush or comb to make sure that you get every hair strand. And I usually leave this wrapped in saran wrap or a plastic bag, so it can incubate just to let the heat get in there, and it just works a lot better. Okay, so let's leave that bad boy to develop for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll rinse, and then I'll give you another step. Okay, so our system is trimmed and dry and ready to go on pretty much, and the base is nice and clean. The only thing is this hairline around the edges needs to be shortened, and this normally happens just after styling, brushing, blow drying. Some of the hair comes out of the front. So I'm going to take a small scissors and you just gently snip right around the edges, and make sure that you keep it nice and neat and tidy. And just bring it around wherever you feel the system needs to be brought back a little bit. And you're gonna bring it right to the hairline and bring that the whole way around. Now it's finished. I'm gonna put this on my head and it's gonna be fabulous. Okay, so there you go. What do you think? I think it looks fantastic. I think it looks pretty much brand new again. I'll probably get actually an extra wear or even 2 out of this. It's shiny, it feels soft, manageable, and all these products you can get online. You can go through Amazon, you can check on professional websites. You'll be able to get some of these products. You should definitely check them out. And yeah, Lordhair, your systems are absolutely fantastic. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to click the links below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow and all that good stuff. And don't forget to keep an eye out for all my fantastic videos. I hope you learned something, and I see you all soon. Bye.